Let's review this product. Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Night Cream with Q10 hyaluronic acid and vitamin A for demanding skin. Essential protection throughout the night. It helps minimize existing wrinkles and prevent the formation of new wrinkles. So the other anti-wrinkles that I put in my other video is it is a day cream. This one is night cream. So why it is important to put this one in our face? Because there is also a vitamin A and hyaluronic acid. One of the main reasons to use a vitamin A cream is its powerful antioxidant activity. Vitamin A is classified as a chain-breaking antioxidant for its role in hindering the chain reaction induced by free radicals. It minimizes their damaging effects and protect from oxidative damage. So this is very important as we are getting older. So it helps other antioxidants perform better. So why I recommend this one? Because there is hyaluronic acid with vitamin A. The antioxidant activity of vitamin A can actually become more powerful when combined with vitamin C. So there is hyaluronic acid that is vitamin C. This is a 50 ml made from Germany. I recommend this product. After cleansing your face and neck and apply this product. Let's open this one. This is it. This one is still sealed. Hindi ko pa siya ginamit. So, let's open it. Let's try to apply it here. Only use a small amount. Okay, this one. So, iba siya. Ano siya? Smooth siya. Mabango siya. Smooth talaga siya. Smooth siya so far. Glowing skin. I recommend this product. This is good for your face at neck. During the night, you have to use this one. And you can also click my other video, anti-wrinkle for day cream. I already uploaded. And you can also use this one